Hey you guys, welcome back. First of all, I wanted to say thank you so much for all the love on my Prime exclusive day video. You guys really blew that one up and I'm so excited it was helpful for you guys. Prime Day is just about to wrap up. It's July 16th today, so Tuesday. So I hope you guys got a bunch of sales. If you did, leave them in the comments below to inspire other viewers to just let us know how your Prime Day went. I would love to hear all about it. My sales have like tripled today. It's pretty awesome. But today we are talking about coupons. I think coupons are super underutilized by the majority of FBA sellers, and they are awesome, you guys. You can generate so many sales, differentiate your listing in comparison to your competitors, and they are very cheap. So if you want to learn benefits of coupons and how to set them up, we are going to talk about it today. Okay, so just to start, I want to cover the basics of what a coupon is if there are new sellers who aren't really familiar with it. So a coupon is a badge on your listing and it will say a discounted amount, but it is a great feature for getting more eyeballs to your listing. And I would highly recommend this for new products to kind of set yourself apart from competitors. The fee for redemption, so anytime someone clicks on your coupon to redeem or to clip the coupon, you pay 60 cents. And when you think about this, this is much cheaper than PPC. So if you kind of combine them both, maybe doing like a suggested bid PPC and then a coupon on top of it, you kind of get to feel out which one is more valuable for you. And you can track how many clicks you get, you can track how many sales you get, so you can kind of track to see if it is a good method of getting sales for your specific listing. So also, coupons need to be between 5 and 80% off. So you can create one as low as 5% off or as high as 80% off. It's all up to you. They have to be within those guidelines. And then you can set a daily budget so you are not getting a bunch of coupon redemptions per day. So if you want to set a $20, that's probably where I would start out with. And then the coupon will be deactivated once your budget is hit for that day. So it's a really safeguard way to test out to see if it's a great way for you to get additional sales. So next we are going to go over the 3 reasons why I think coupons are a great way to go. The first reason is that they differentiate your listing from your competitors. So if your customer is scrolling over a bunch of listings on Amazon, their eye will naturally be drawn to the one with the coupon because it is a big badge, like I said, it's a big badge that says a percentage off. So if you have a big badge and your competitors do not, and you guys are all around the same price range, well, your customer is most likely going to be drawn to your listing because they see that there's a discount and they're attracted to that. Anything that you can differentiate your listing from all of your competitors is a great way to go. I've mentioned it before, setting yourself apart with images, making your image stand out is a great way to go. Coupons are just another route of doing that. You just want to stick out more than any of your competitors. And the second reason why I think coupons are so great is because of the location that you have to redeem the coupon. The coupon is right next to where you add your product to the cart. So if the consumer is redeeming that, they are most likely going to add it to their cart, which just makes it that much closer for them to purchase it. PPC is great and all, but if a consumer clicks on your listing and then clicks out right away, you're still being charged for that. But if you're using a coupon, the consumer is already going to look through your listing to make sure they're actually really interested in it, and then they will click the coupon and then they will click add to cart. I would say it's very rare that the consumer adds the coupon and then clicks out of the listing. Usually they would click the coupon, add it to cart, and then make their decision on whether they want to purchase it or not. So I think there is a higher correlation between coupon redemptions and sales in comparison to pay-per-cost clicks and sales. You know what I mean? So it's just a smoother transaction route versus PPC. So it's a great route to go. And also the third reason why I think that coupons are so great is because you can target unique audiences. So I will put a screenshot up above of all the audiences you can target. Alright you guys, now that I've explained all the awesome benefits of how you can use a coupon and why they are so great, we are going to jump into Amazon and I will show you how to set up a coupon.
First, you will go to the Advertising tab and click Coupons, and then you will click Create Coupon, and it will bring you to this page where you just insert your ASIN that you want to create the coupon for. Okay, now that you've come to this screen, this is where you enter in your discount. Are you going to do a dollar amount off, or are you going to do a percentage off? You can click either one. Let's say you wanted to do 25% off, you click that. You guys get the gist. This next part is, it says, do you want to limit the redemption of your coupon to one per customer? It depends on what the coupon is like. I wouldn't trip over letting people redeem the coupon multiple times. That's just me. Okay, and so this is where you set your budget. So redemption, like I said, is 60 cents per redemption, and it will deactivate at 80% utilization. So I would recommend just starting out with 20, see how that goes. $20 a day should get you pretty far though, so that's what I would do. Let's say my product is $20. I want to do a $3 coupon. That's what I would do, and I'm not worried about them redeeming it multiple times. Spend as much money on my stuff as you guys want. Next, so you can customize your back end of your coupon. So save money on like cat toys. And then, is this for all customers, Amazon Prime members? I would make it for all customers because customers who aren't Prime still have to pay for shipping. So they would be pocketing the shipping amount. So you are still giving the discount, you are not losing additional money by giving it to all customers. Okay, start date. You can start it whenever. So if we want to start it today and end it in a week, there we go. And then you would just hit review and submit.
Alright, you guys, I hope this was enough convincing you to go ahead and try and use FBA coupons. I think not only will it increase your sales, the conversion rates are higher, but it is much less expensive route for marketing and advertising your product because it is only 60 cents for a redemption rate. And the consumer needs to go out of their way to redeem the coupon versus PPC where they just click on your listing just to see your listing. So I think it's a great route to go. So let me know if you guys go ahead and try it, and let me know the results in the comments below. I'm sure everyone else who is watching this would love to see your results. Other than that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I put out videos weekly on FBA topics, and hit that like button because it lets YouTube's algorithm know that you guys are rocking with my videos. So have an awesome week, you guys. I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.